Hey, let me show you how you can enable always on display on the CMF Phone 1. So first of all, you will have to go into the Google Play Store and get this application AOA, always on display. We have to use external application because the always on display function it's not available in this smartphone. So click to Let's Go, now accept Allow Now, and select AOA from this section display over other apps. Then go back, now go back again, accept Allow Now. So we have to do the same for the notification access to be able to actually view them on the lock screen. Then go back. Now click consent. And right now, let's check if it already works. There we go. As you can see, right now, we've got always on display on the screen, and we can even customize it. So what I mean, take a look. You can simply open this application, and right here you can find the watch face customization. So we can change, for example, the clock hour color, some font. You can change the format. You can also display the battery level. As you can see, there's like a lot of options that you can customize. Even right here, you've got, not right here, I was about to enter for the service. Sometimes you will get some pop-up ads, but you can click X after a few seconds. And right now we got the brightness mode, the automatic brightness. We can even increase brightness, so now it will look much better. Take a look. Wait for it. There we go. And as you can see, this is it for this video, the quick tutorial how we can get the always on display on the CMF Phone 1. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.